looks like my HR 6100 doesn't have any display on the watch. It's actually dead. I changed the battery is okay. And let's see here, check the voltage. The input volt is 26, which is supposed to be 24, and here all is okay, and the fuse is okay. So I don't have a choice. Look like I will have to do something about it. Taking this screw out and the second screw here, then everything is popping out, and you can see the board from the top. Few transistors. Okay, let's take a look what's going on inside. So we have to check. Let's see where it's coming from. It was laying somewhere here. Okay, it's time to take it apart, and maybe we can see something that can be fixed. Few screws. Okay, we open the board, and that's what we have here. Very simple. Now we have to understand why it doesn't work. I took it apart and connected to the 24 volt right now, and the display started working, so maybe something is okay now. I will try to assemble it and put it back. Maybe some components, or just cleaning it a little bit, fix the problem. Okay, plug the display here, and then everything is screwed back. All the screws are in place, and we'll tighten them, but it's worth checking that this is holding and touching well here under. So you can press, when you press it, it touches different part of the contact. Other than this is supposed to hold, and this is okay here. So we'll see. It's such a magnificent design. It's holding already 27 years, so I'm afraid to change it for internet. Nothing today will hold 27 years. Next time, if it holds 27 years, I don't have to worry. Connect back the wires so the voltage is okay, and then put back the screws. Disconnect the electricity, and then put all the wires as you wrote down before taking it apart. And I already see that the display is working okay, and I adjusted the time, so everything looked fine. Okay, looks like we are back in business, so we can adjust the time, and then we will put the program. Everything is connected, and flash red, beautiful. After 27 years, I like it. I don't think anything connected to the internet will beat it. Okay, we will see. I hope it's working.